What if animals had to get real jobs? No instincts, no training, just vibes. Welcome to a world where animals work harder and smarter is optional.
Meet Mr. Whiskers. Corporate employee, has no idea what he's doing, but sits on the keyboard confidently. Management approves.
This is Bruno, taxi driver. Doesn't know directions, but drives with passion. Stopped again. Yes, squirrel.
This is Kevin. He's in management, speaks confidently, explains nothing. Everyone nods. Kevin gets promoted.
Chef Ellie loves cooking. Uses passion, uses chaos. Recipe says a pinch of salt. She adds the ocean.
Breaking news. This anchor repeats everything, including secrets, weather forecast, rain, noise, and snacks.
Customer support requires patience. Good news. This panda has plenty. Your problem will be solved. After lunch and a nap.
This penguin delivers packages, fast, efficient, mostly sideways. Package delivered. Wrong house, still delivered.
Your personal trainer is a lion. Motivation level? Terrifying. Results? Immediate. No complaints.
Should animals have human jobs? Absolutely not. But should we keep watching? Yes. Like, subscribe, and comment the next job.